to Robbie One's beat.
When I'm looking on the south, in the western, in the central, yeah. And I found us was born and I'm grown in the northern Uganda.
Hi folks, welcome to this video. My name is Batoro as usual. Welcome to you for this video. I'm going to talk about the Luo tribes which exist in Ethiopia. You already know that in Ethiopia we have a tribe called Luo. First, diabetes. Ethiopia is located in Eastern Africa, west of Somalia at about 800 and 3800 coordinates. Ethiopia is about 1,127,127 square kilometers in land area, with a population of 73,053,646 of the total population. Its climate is classified as tropical monsoon with wide topographic induced variation. Now you might be wondering why I'm reading it from the computer. I've compiled it here. So sometimes it's not easy to memorize it, but the most important thing is as long as you get the information, because some of this information, if you have to search about, you might have to pay for certain book journals for you to get, but we really give for you. The Luo in Ethiopia are known as Anwar as well, and are in fact no any different than the Anwar of the Upper Nile in Sudan. Moreover, the Luo Anwar in Ethiopia indeed are the contribution of the Anwar of the Upper Nile region in southern Sudan, whom are the descendants of Gisu, the younger brother of Kango and Dimo. As far as the ancestry linkages are concerned, the sources got Batwa, author and book in 1967. The Luo of Ethiopia are found in the Gimara region of southwestern Ethiopia. They are classified as Nilo-Saharan Eastern Sudanic Nilotics, Luo and Anwar. They are numbering 45,646 according to 1991 census. Leoma of Tutan. This means that up to now we will have grown far more than that. We will update you on that thing in another video. Then their main sources of economy are fishing, agriculture, and hunting. The main source of economy is agriculture, fishing, and then hunting. That is something quite nice, because it's a Luo group of Ethiopia, Acoli, the Anwar. The Anwar are also as well intelligent and energetic group of Luo people, just like other groups of Luo people. So those are basically the Anwar. In our other videos, please subscribe so that you may get other things like the culture, the way of life, traditions, and many other things. And as well, let's wish for the Luo people and also the entire people peace. You know, their areas to serve war. We are all together. We pray for peace in the people of Banwa, people of Uganda. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and follow on Facebook. Don't forget to follow the website, gofolklore.site, and like this video, share, and comment so that we know feedback. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.